When the machine arrives, first remove the outer packaging. Remove the power cord from the machine's side hole. Cut the cable tie and remove the key. Be careful not to cut the power cord. Then open the front and back doors. Take out all the accessories inside the machine. Among them, the extra glass tube and the heating wire are used as spare parts. Next, take out the light box. Use screws and a screwdriver to fix the sheet metal and the side light panels. Insert the chimney cover into the top hole, then use the butterfly screws to secure it. Screws are used to secure the light box sheet metal in the machine's front. Then secure the front light box to the sheet metal. If it's a solo operation, lift the light box by placing foam on the bottom. This will allow the light box to align better with the holes. Thread the light box power cord and antenna inside the machine. Then go to the inside of the front of the machine. Locate the antenna and attach it to the screen, and connect the light box power cable to the reserved wiring. Next, remove the decorative sheet metal. Attach the down feed base to the generator area. And attach the rubber sleeve to the downcomer glass tube. Then insert the downcomer glass tube into the base. Then align the holes at the top and tighten the glands. Then insert the pin into the down feed motor. Next, the base of the U-tube is placed in the generator area. There's also the need to install filters. Look for the black filters in the spare parts. Place them in the chimney holes. Make sure that the filters are placed flat. The next step is to install the chimney. Thread the first chimney pipe through the top hole. Note that the second section of chimney pipe, it can be aligned upwards with the holes before installation. then align it with the first chimney and connect it. Do the same with the other chimney. Connect the U-tube to the generator and the mixing area. Then open the lid of the corn bin. Add 2 or more packages of corn to the corn bin. It is better to be able to cover the side sensors. Finally, close the lid tightly. Next, add the cups. Fill up the cups every time. Then go to the syrup bin at the bottom of the machine. Loosen the butterfly screws to remove the side sheet metal. Next, add the syrup and flavored sauces. Take out the corresponding syrups. Knead the syrup first to mix them well. Then pour the base into the syrup bucket and close the lid. Then add the flavor sauce. Each flavor paste motor has a corresponding label. Take out the corresponding flavor sauce. Knead the flavors first to mix them well. Then pour the sauce into the corresponding candy jar and close the lid. Do the same with the other flavors. Next, fill up the water and handle the waste buckets. Take out all the buckets. Then add the preservative to the waste water bucket. Then fill the buckets with fresh water. Finally, put all the buckets back inside the machine. Insert the pipe to the bottom of the fresh water. Connect the power cord to the socket and power on. Check if the input voltage is stable. Next step is to install the syrup bucket. Remove the lid of the syrup bowl. Hold the bottom of the bucket and lift the bucket. Remove the bucket from the suspension. Click on the advertisement page. Long press on the upper right corner of the product page. Enter the password. Click Login. Enter the debug page. Click the weighing reset. After the weight shows 0, click it again to close it. Finally, hang the sugar bucket back up. Note that the top hangs over the crossbar. The bottom should press against the sensor sheet metal. Check that the weight of the sugar bucket is normal. The next step is to draw the syrup. Return the debug page. If there are already cups in the mixing compartment, there is no need to drop or pick up the cups. If not, click on the cup pusher. Then click on the drop the cup. Lastly, click on the cup pusher again. Next, click on the syrup stirring motor. Check if the mixing blades inside each candy jar are working. If all of them are working properly, then close it. and start the Add Syrup. Check if the machine is able to come out with syrup into the cups, if it's working properly. Then turn it off, and start the flavor sauce. Check if all 4 flavors are coming out. If it's working properly, then turn them off. Go back to the previous page. Click on the button. Finally click on Power On immediately now.